Everyone, in this video I want to explain you something about the WordPress plugin for the Launch27. So you should understand that there are no any plugin for the WordPress from Launch27 or some other developer. All settings you can do are inside the Launch27 dashboard, right here. So to install your booking form inside WordPress, you should go right to the booking form. After, you should click install form. You will see something like this, and you should leave the settings as they are. It's all good here. This will be automatically, and you should copy this code. Just copy and paste inside your WordPress or some other HTML or PHP website, doesn't matter. This code will work on all websites. So you should just paste it inside your page as code, not as text. Should be like code. So after you click publish, it will work. That's all you should do. And all other settings you should do inside your Launch27 dashboard. There are nothing else to do with WordPress for Launch27. So that's it. Pretty easy, pretty clear. Thanks for watching, and check my other videos and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.